everyone, and welcome to my first video for my 12 days of Christmas series. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some Bible journaling, and I'm going to be in Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6. Don't mind my Bible, it's at the wrong page right now, but we will get to the right page. So I just wanted to do some simple poinsettias on my page. So I'm taking out some green paint, some red paint, and I take out a little bit of yellow paint. And I got this idea from Scribbling Grace. I will leave her link down below and her video down below too. It's a very simple flower to do. I think she does a great job at explaining it, so I would definitely leave that link down below if you guys would like a more thorough step-by-step. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is definitely just going to be a quick overview of what I am doing, so I'm gonna speed things along and I will let you guys enjoy the video. So I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2.